Hi guys, welcome to week number 8. Can you believe it? After this week we are halfway through our semester. It is amazing how quickly it is going. I wanted to go over with you a few quick announcements and just kind of remind you guys. Number one, scholarships are open. Please feel free to jump on in to the financial aid website and apply for those scholarships. Bakersfield College is giving out free money. Something for you guys to consider. Also, we have some late start classes that are available starting next week. So if you want to add some to your current schedule, feel free to go ahead and sign in for those classes. We're ready to go ahead and help you move a little closer to your educational goals. Now, this week in week 8, it's going to be a little bit of a more demanding week than perhaps we're accustomed to. Chapter 6. The content of Chapter 6, while it's excellent, I wanted to make sure that you guys took some time to look over the Chapter 6 content, maybe do some of the reading, review the PowerPoint before you start our first discussion post. Our first discussion post is called The Law of Diminishing Marginal Returns, and I'm asking you to go ahead and utilize your agricultural commodity to demonstrate that law. And so the instructions are in the discussion post. I don't think it's very challenging, but if you have no knowledge on the inputs of production or the law of diminishing marginal returns, it's a pretty challenging discussion post. So do a little bit of research and tackle that post. It shouldn't be a challenge. Also, this week, on Sunday, you have your second economic analysis due. It is essentially a repeat of what we did during week number 4 with a different article, but I'm also expecting you guys to demonstrate 8 weeks of economic content. So I'm expecting you guys to have a little deeper knowledge of your economics, and instead of talking about a lot of little things, maybe bring it down to 1 or 2 items that you have more of a commanding knowledge of and demonstrate that. Make sure you give me a live URL link so I can read that article in advance. And finally, make sure you take a little bit of time this week to look at the replies to the You Are an Expert presentation. As people post their multimedia presentations, there's an expectation that you watch them. They're 2 to 4 minutes each, and then go ahead and reply some content, adding some value back to those individuals. That's all for week 8. Make it a great one.